Do you have a garage? Are you using it at the moment, or is it just sitting there vacantly? Do you want to earn extra money? Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and are looking for an alternative source of income from the comfort of your own home? Well, you do not have to look far. A garage is one of the busiest places in our homes. Others use it simply as it is, a garage. Others also use it as extra storage space, while others had no use for it, so they just simply left it vacant. But what if I tell you that you can make money out of it, or that you can monetize your empty garage? In this video, we will give you ideas on how you can start earning money from your garage. From establishing a startup to just simply having it rented out, we will give you tips and tricks so you can start earning as soon as possible. So make sure to watch this video to the end if you want to know how to approach these ideas and start your money-making journey. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Now let's get right into the video. Number 1. Have it rented. Do you have extra space in your garage? Or perhaps you have a garage but you don't have a use for it? Then you might want to consider renting it out to make some money. People will always need a parking space, but not every residence or establishment has one. Renting your garage as a parking space is the easiest option because it will not require you to invest heavily just to operate and keep it running. All you need to do is clean the garage and get out the word that you're renting it out. In the cities where parking is scarce, this could be a good source of additional income. However, if the garage is attached to your house, be sure to check closely who you rent it to avoid future problems. You can choose to explore a month-to-month, quarterly, or annual rental, whichever is more convenient for you. But make sure to also check the legalities to see if you need a license or a permit. Still, renting your garage is a pretty low-maintenance way of earning money quickly. Number 2. Flipping antiques. Do you love antiques? Do you enjoy collecting old items and restoring them? Then perhaps this is the perfect business for you. You can use your garage to buy and sell antiques or even upcycle old furniture. If you have old items, you might want to check if you can monetize them. After all, there is a healthy market for old and second-hand items. If this goes well, you can then expand by investing in items, fixing and cleaning antiques, and refurbishing old furniture. You can flip all of these for profit. However, do not forget to check in your area if there are state and local business requirements that you need to comply with. Some require a license and permit. Hence, just to be safe, do your research beforehand. Number 3. Establish a tech startup. Have you ever wondered how Apple and Microsoft started? Well, these big companies started in the garage. Steve Jobs and Woz put together the boards of their computer in Jobs' garage. Microsoft was also started in Bill Gates' garage. If you have the skills and ideas, you can also do the same. You could become the next tech giant. A garage is a perfect place to develop and start in this field because it requires no cost. Hence, it is perfect for a startup. Number 4. Venture into woodworking. Another way to make money out of your garage is to turn it into a shop for woodworking. A garage is a great place for this because woodworking needs space for its tools and potentially hazardous materials. Garages are spacious and are made to store your tools. You can make chairs and tables and sell them. If your skills are good, then people will surely not hesitate to pay a premium for your handmade products. Number 5. Prepare home goods. Making candles and soaps in your garage is another great way of earning money. This is a very popular and in-demand good. Hence, you can easily make these if you just have the right knowledge. There are already many businesses founded and started from the garage that are doing very well now. The Yankee Candle is one perfect example. Now the company is worth millions. You can also do this. It's not impossible to establish a multi-millionaire business making home goods. Just acquire the right skill and knowledge so you can attract customers. Plus, you don't need any sort of license to start. Just declare yourself a sole proprietorship and you're good to go. Before we move on to the next one, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you loved the video thus far. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. Now let's continue to the next idea. Number 6. Doing car repairs. Turning your garage into a mini car repair shop is another way of earning extra money. This, of course, is highly dependent on your skills and knowledge about car repairs. If you love doing this as well, then this side hustle will not only be profitable but enjoyable as well. Take note, however, that operating a car repair shop generally requires a license and a permit. But do not worry, the profit will certainly outweigh the process of doing this paperwork. Just make sure you have all the necessary papers and then you can immediately start earning money. Number 7. Custom framing. Another way to earn money from your garage is to do custom framing. This is a good option because learning the framing process is quite easy. Hence, if you don't have prior experience, then you don't have to worry. You can easily make money on this because it is quite popular. However, the biggest challenge on this one is that the material costs could be high. But if you are willing to invest money in this and try to master the skill, then the costs can be offset by profit. You can make a decent living out of this if you can become a top-tier custom framer. Number 8. Dog grooming. Do you love dogs? If yes, then this option is good for you. You can open a pet grooming business from your garage. This business is one of the easiest on this list because this will not require any specific certification or license. So long as you know how to groom an animal, bath, and dry them, then you're good to go. Before doing this, however, it is better to start with your pets and how you will like them. If you don't know how to do it, there are tons of videos and tutorials online that can help you. Or you might also consider volunteering at a local animal shelter to gain first-hand experience in dealing with and grooming dogs. Number 9. Doing others' laundry. Another side hustle or business you can explore is opening a wash and fold laundry from your garage. Others are so busy with their jobs that they simply do not have time to take care of their laundry. You can take advantage of this, especially if you are someone who also enjoys doing it. So long as you are organized and know how to properly separate the loads to keep them intact, then doing this will be an easy job for you. Start with your washer and dryer. Once your business grows, you can also consider investing to buy more machines. Number 10. Opening a repair shop. If you know how to fix something, then you might want to consider monetizing this skill. You can consider repairing umbrellas, jackets, guitars, watches, and phones from your garages if you know how to do it. This way, you can help people and at the same time, earn a little extra money. Plus, one advantage of opening a repair shop from your garage is that it requires low maintenance. Just have the right tools and spare parts, then you're good to go. Number 11. Convert the garage into a studio space. Last on this list is to convert your garage into a studio space for rent. There are lots of talents out there, in every town and every city. Artists need space where they can create their art and record. You can turn it into a recording studio, a green screen studio, a rehearsal venue, or a studio for artists. All you need to do is get the necessary permits and the corresponding insurance, and you're good to go. And that is our list of ideas where you can start earning money from your garage. What do you think? What idea are you most interested in? Or perhaps do you have other ideas? Share them by dropping a comment down below so we'll know what ideas you have in mind. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've watched, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, financial buddies!